today, to your class. Together, we will explore, discover, and find answers to the mysteries of the world through science. I am teacher Eliza, and I will serve as your science teacher for today. Alright, good morning, children.
Good morning, Mom.
Again, good morning, my dear grade 5 orchideas.
Good morning, Ma'am.
Okay, so before we start, may I please ask everybody to please stand for a moment of prayer that will be prayed on the screen. Okay, class, kindly check under your chair if there is a plastic or pieces of paper. Pick it up and please arrange your chair with proper alignment. So kung tapos na magbulot sa basura sa ilalim sa bangko, magpupos ng talong at mag-behave. Okay, so is everybody ready to learn the new lesson today?
Yes!
Okay, so dapat lang kay ang mga maalam na bata, excited, permit, magtuon. So before we proceed to our main discussion, let's check first the attendance. May I know who is absent for today?
No.
Very good. No one is absent. So this time, let's have a short recap on our previous lesson. So what have you learned about the topic that we have discussed yesterday? Yes?
It's all about weathering store bags.
So, weathering the storm is very good. So, now, I can prepare this mga picture. So, may pamangkot ako ngayon. What can you say about the picture?
Moon.
Moon, very good. What else? Sun. Ano ba?
Different shape of moon.
Very good. The picture shows the different faces of the moon. Then, how do you feel when there is no moon at night time? Boring. What else? Too dark. Very good. Matulog. Then, have you ever wondered why the moon appears differently in the sky every night?
Yes.
Very good. Now, I want you to imagine that you're an astronaut and you're going to the moon for the first time. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let us go to the moon and take a look at its faces one by one. So fasten your seatbelt and let's fly up to the moon.
You are looking at the solar system. We're going to take a look at the moon. Do you want to come? It is the satellite that orbits around the Earth, and we can see it decide depending on its physics. Grab on. Head that way. We are now on the moon, the only natural satellite that belongs to the planet Earth. We always see the same side of the moon because it takes the same amount of time to rotate around it as it does to orbit the Earth. On the moon, there are lots of craters made from meteor shower that crash against the surface. Be careful!
Now that we have landed on the moon, let's take a look at this working model. The different shapes of the moon that you see are what we call the faces of the moon. The model shows the different positions of the moon around the Earth with reference to the sun. Have you noticed that the moon keeps changing shape?
Yes.
It starts as a sun crescent, which grows bigger every night until it is a bright ball What makes it sense to change like this? Just like the Earth, the moon does not have its own light and reflects light from the sun. Kung sa Euron pa, wala sa kaugalingon nga kasanag o kung light ang bulan. Nag-reflect lang siya sa kasanag sa sun. The phases of the moon that you see depends on its position and relation to the sun and earth. The shape of the moon that you see does not change, only its lighted part. Then we see less and less of its lighted part. That is why its shape appears to change. And this is what we call phases of the moon. Alright, now let's find out and discover why and how the moon shows different phases through this improvised model of the moon, earth, and sun. But to make it more visible to you, let's zoom in on each of the moon's phases and a more realistic view to better understand them. So here is the first phase. I have questions for you. If the moon is in between the earth and sun, we can see total darkness. Suppose silinoy, magulo. So what do you call this phase? Yes?
So, new moon lang.
Very good. This phase is called new moon. Then, how about if the moon is if the earth is in between the moon and sun? We can see the whole bright or lighted moon. So, masana. Amon siya, masana siya ko gabi. Kung pagila naman yung madulong, subok naman niya, makita natin ang palibot ko gabi. So, what do you call this phase? Yes? Full moon. Very good. This phase is called full moon. Next, it is between the quarter and new moon and looks like a bangka. Sometimes it is waxing and waning. Daw bangka naman siya tulupon. So, what do you call this main phase of the moon? Yes, Donnie?
Crescent moon.
Very good. This phase is called crescent moon. Another question. This phase is frequently named the half moon. It is between the gibbous and crescent moon. What do you call this phase? Yes, Risha or German? Very good. This phase is called quarter moon. Finally, this phase is between the quarter and full moon stages. More than half of the moon has this and is sometimes waxing and waning. What do you call this main phase of the moon? Yes, Regine. Very good. This phase is called gibbous moon. This time,
Wow! Wow!
for class to perform the Orion Moon
Ma'am,
activity. Wait lang, wala ko ibang katapos. So I will group you into two. This side is group 1, and this side is class. But before we proceed to our activity, please do remember the standards. All you need to do is to gently separate the Oreos so all filling is on one side. So be careful as you separate your Oreos. Full moon and new moon are already done when you pull apart your Oreo. Second, make all filling to resemble each pieces of the moon. Third, place Oreo pieces and the plate in a correct order and relation to the earth and sun. Fourth, label the Oreo pieces starting with the new moon. Fifth, once you finish your work, just clap 5 times in order for your teacher to know whose group today And finally, take a good way and presenting your work in front of the class. Okay? So this time,
Ma'am? 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 Ako, ma'am?
I'll give you 5 minutes for him doing the activity.
Perfect.
Let's just follow this one.
Kadot, nabat kasi ito? Wala pa. Sila sila kabiluga, oo, wala lang. Wala lang.
Ikaw, kaya mo, di ba? Dito ko na ako kayo. May dua pa na? Ikaw, hindi na lang eh.
Mama!
Kaon sila mo? Damit.
Kung tapos na class,
Welcome, ma'am.
kay tungkol daw na ang group to, sila maunang present.
Good morning, everyone. I am the presenter of group number 2, and I will be showing what kind of moon is this. Number 1, this is a new moon. Number 2, this is waxing crescent, and number 3, first quarter. Number 4 is waxing gibbous, and then this is the full moon, the waning gibbous, the last quarter, and the waning crescent.
Very
That's
good.
all.
Please give group 1A 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next, yung ma-present ang group 1.
Ma'am, pwede din? Pwede.
Wala pa.
So, good morning, classmates. So, I am the presenter of Group 1. So, this phases of the moon is new moon. So, this is the waxing crescent. This is half waxing. This is waxing gibbous. This one is full moon. So this one is waning gibbous. This is crescent, is waxing crescent. Waxing crescent. So that's all.
Okay, thank you. So class, were you able to follow the instructions? Okay. So is it very important to follow the instructions correctly?
Yeah.
Very good. Give yourselves a round of applause. So let's have another activity. All you need to do is to choose the correct answer from the box below. Write only the letter of the correct answer. So I will give you 2 minutes to answer the questions. So are you done, children?
Yes.
Okay. So lakta mo natin kung correct ang inyong answers. So sino ang gusto mag-answer sa number 1? Nicole, please read the question and tell the answer.
It occurs when the moon is between the earth and sun, and we can see total darkness. New moon.
Very good. New moon.
Number 2.
Number 2, Donnie.
It is between the quarter and new moon and looks like a bangka. Sometimes it is waxing and waning.
So what is the answer?
Crescent moon.
Very good. Crescent moon. Next question, number 3. Yes, Debbie? Number 3. It occurs when the earth is in between the moon and sun, and we can see the whole bright or lighted moon. Letter B. Very good. Letter B. Full moon. Next question. The mark.
It occurs between the quarter and full moon stages. More than half of the moon can be seen. It is sometimes waxing or waning.
What is the answer?
The answer is letter E.
Letter E. Give us one. Very good. The last number. Yes, Cesar?
This space is frequently called the half moon, as it is between the gibbous and quarter moon. The
What is the
answer
answer?
is quarter moon.
Very good. The answer is okay. Very good. So give yourselves a 5 rounds. So let's proceed to another activity. So I need a participant. Okay? Sino ang feeling ang magkatutili sa mga children? Si Donnie, Joseph, Nicole, Cesar, Mary, Risha, yan, sino pa gusto? Ella, and Dix. Is to face the different faces of the moon shown below, then arrange them in their order of appearance around the earth.
Lapit na.
Okay, so let's check if your answers are correct. So, new moon di ba si hi children?
Yes!
Okay, so is this waxing crescent?
Yes!
Very good. This is waxing crescent. How about the first quarter?
Yes!
Yes, correct. The waxing gibbous.
Of course! Yes!
Yes.
Yes!
Sada full moon.
Yeah.
How about the winning gibbous?
Yes!
The last quarter.
Yes!
And the winning crescent.
Super yes!
Very good. So give yourselves a round of applause. Now let's go back. Alright, what are the 5 main phases of the moon? Yes, Cesar?
Full moon, new moon, gibbous moon, crescent moon, and quarter moon.
Very good. So, how about the 8 phases of the moon? Donnie?
The 8 phases of the moon are waning gibbous, full moon, waxing gibbous, first quarter, waxing crescent, new moon, waning crescent, and last quarter.
Very good, Donnie. So next, let's always remember that the phases of the moon, or lunar phases, are the different moonlight shades of the moon during a month. So next, so the first phase of the moon is new moon. Who can read? Risha? New moon is when the moon is all dark and located between the earth and sun. So this is the new moon. So ang baka pagina, di ba, ma? Bulog. So next naman yung phase is crescent moon. Okay, you can read. Regine. Crescent moon is when the moon is in between new moon and quarter moon stages, appears to be partly but less than one half illuminated. If the moonlight is increasing, it's called waxing crescent. If it's decreasing, it's waning crescent. So this is the waning crescent, and this is the waxing crescent. So next phase is quarter moon. Okay, ano yung Joseph?
Quarter moon is when half of the moon is visible. If the moon's light is waxing, it's called first quarter. If it is waning, it is called the last quarter.
Okay, so this is the last quarter, and this is the first quarter. So next phase is gibbous moon. Big Mark.
Gibbous moon is between the quarter and full moon stages, appears to be more than one half, but not full illuminated. If the moon's light is increasing, it is called waxing gibbous, and if it is decreasing, it is called waning gibbous.
Next. Next is full moon. Ella.
If the moon appears brightly and completely illuminated by direct sunlight, the earth is between the moon and sun during this phase.
Very good. Next. So this is the exercise of waxing waning. So waxing means to increase gradually in size and is used to describe the moon's light as it grows from the new moon to full moon. So what is waning? Cesar?
Waning means to decrease gradually in size and is used to describe the moon's light as it gets smaller from full moon to new moon.
Very good. Okay. Next, let's have an activity. So all you need to do is to match the description with a corresponding month phrase and features. Write the correct letter of your answer at the space provided before the number. Okay, you can answer number 1. Ready? Number 1. The moon decreasing in light. It is between a full moon and the last quarter. What is the answer? Letter A. Very good. Letter A. Waning gibbous. Next. Isha.
The moon is almost directly between the earth and sun. We cannot see the moon at this phase.
So what is the answer?
New moon ang
New moon. Very good. Okay. The third number. Big Mark, what? Please read the question.
The different moonlight shapes of the moon as it revolves around the earth within a month?
What is the
The
answer?
answer is letter I.
Very good. Next, number 4. Donnie.
Number 4. A bit of the sunlit side of the moon shows with the sunlit side being on the right or forms like a bangka
What is the answer for number 4?
at Mount Full Moon.
F. Are you sure with your answer?
I don't know.
Okay, who can help Donnie? Regine? D, ma'am. Very good. The answer is letter D. Okay, the next question. Who can answer? Donnie. Again.
2 weeks have passed since the new moon. We see the entire or complete face of the moon shining brightly.
Answer.
Letter F.
Very good. Letter L. Okay, number 6. Who can answer? Nicole.
Number 6. The moon is 3/4 of its way around the earth. Letter G.
Very
That's
good.
the square.
Nicole, are you sure with your answer?
No.
Okay, who can help Nicole? Yes, Sammy.
The answer is letter A.
Very good. The answer is letter A.
Mama mo mouse, Nicole.
Next question. Yes, Jean.
The moon is quarter of its way around the earth. Letter B. First quarter.
Very good. Letter B. Number 8. Who can answer? Yes. Cesar?
Eight. A bit of the sunlit side being form like wind.
What is the answer?
Winning present.
Present. Very good. Letter B. So, for the number 9, one answer. February.
The moon is increasing in light. It is between the first quarter and a full moon. Letter E. Waxing gibbous.
Very good. Letter E. Okay, for our last numbers. Donnie.
Number 10. The estimated days of a complete revolution of the moon around the earth.
What is your answer?
Letter J. 29 and 1/2
Very good.
days.
29 and 1/2 days as the answer. Okay, so give yourselves a round of applause. So this time, for your assignment, all you need to do is to observe the shape of the moon every night for 2 weeks. You draw the moon's shape each night in a chart similar to the one shown below and write your observation. So that will be all. Thank you.